So today we have an absolute showstopper. We are baking a whole turbot with leeks and cider, and it is so indulgent and also quite light. So it has a balance of the both, and I'm really excited to take you through the steps today. Okay, so let's take a look at what you're going to need to create this recipe. Okay, so we've got some chopped spring onions and leeks. We've got some thyme, bay leaves and garlic. We've got some fennel seeds, some chopped parsley, some lemon, some mascarpone, good knobs of butter, and the all-important bottle of cider. So you're going to need quite a big roasting dish. It's got some weight to this for your beautiful whole turbot. So that's going to be the base. So you're going to add 2 knobs of butter and a generous splash of olive oil and get that nicely warmed up. Okay, so you want to go in by adding some garlic and get that nicely browned off. And then you want to add half of your spring onions and leeks. And you want to do this for about 10 minutes until they've gone golden. Okay, so I'm just going to add a few sprigs of thyme. It is such a lovely herb, but I'm going to again save some of it just for garnishing the turbot at the end. But just roasting these off ever so slightly is really nice. So this is one of our whole turbots. It is an absolutely divine fish. Your guests will just be like, I want this again. So have that in a roasting pan, and then we're just going to score the tops. So we're just going to sear it ever so gently. So now you've seared off these veggies and garlic and whatnot, you're just going to toss that around the turbot. And this will help infuse all the beautiful flavors of the turbot without overpowering it, because it's such a beautiful fish. Okay, so now you want to grab a bottle of cider, pop the lid off, and you're going to pour that all over the fish. Quick taste test. Good bottle of cider. Okay, so that's all in. You want to add some fennel seeds on the top. Okay, so that's all done. You want to pop that in the oven for an hour on 150. Okay, so it has been an hour and it is ready to get out the oven. Let's go check it out. Oh my goodness, it smells incredible. Look at that. Okay, so we're on to the final step, which is making a bit of a sauce. So let's begin. So towards the end of the fish cooking, I've just cooked off the rest of the leeks and spring onions, and to the mix, I'm going to add some mascarpone. And we're just going to melt that down to create a bit of a sauce. Okay, so now drizzle that all over the fish. And there we have it. It smells absolutely fantastic. You just want to add, just to finish, some really nice thin slices of lemon. And then here we've just got some chopped parsley. And there we have it, our whole baked turbot in a leek and cider sauce. It smells incredible, it looks incredible, and I can't wait to share with everyone. Thanks for watching, and let us know how you get on at home.